Happy birthday to Danny. Happy birthday to Danny. Happy birthday to Danny. Happy birthday to you.
Hi.
What are you doing here? Oh
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
There's cake and everything.
Yeah, I don't think Ready? Ready? Oh, more cupcakes. I actually have to try this. Here, hold that. It's still recording. Just videotape me. Green present. Ooh!
What are you videotaping?
Apparently she's videotaping me. Yes, I use green electric tape. That's pretty sweet. Green 14 Fletcher. So excited.
No, I have followed you.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Veered off and ran away. And then came down here.
Oh, well, how about that? That looks really nice, Betsy.
I do.
Do you like it?
I love it.
It's so pretty. There's like 3 different versions of Party Girl on there.
Oh my god. And Hotel on a Hill. There's Hotel on a Hill.
I know, because it's like, oh, she likes Hotel on the Hill.
I love Hotel on a Hill. It's so good.
Okay, show us the CD again. Because this is going up on
And then look at that.
City.
Look at that. Look at that.
Sorry. It's so pretty. Oh, look at Dougie. Oh, look at I mean, what?
No. If you're gonna be focusing on anyone, focus on Tom. Look at how adorable.
He's shiny. Wait, he's shiny.
Adorable.
There's
shiny.
That red dot's on him.
Thank you so much, Stephanie. I love it.
No problem.
Yay. And now I have all this food to make me fat. Do you want a cupcake?
Yes. I must eat cupcakes.